Dear students, this is Sister Sheila. Now we are going to learn about exercise 3.1 question number 5. Find the sum of the squares of the roots of the equation 2x power 4 minus 8x cube plus 6x square minus 3 is equal to 0. Now the solution here, given that 2x power 4 minus 8x cube plus 6x square minus 3 is equal to 0. Now we are trying to find out the monic equation. As I told you already, the leading coefficient is here 2 and we are going to divide the whole equation by 2. Dividing by 2, so we get x power 4 minus 4x cube plus 3x square minus 3 by 2 is equal to 0. Now the roots are, since it is the equation is having the highest degree is 4, we are taking the 4 roots here, alpha, beta, gamma and delta as the roots of the given equation. Now we are trying to find out sigma alpha, that is nothing but the sum of all the 4 roots, alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta is equal to, that is the coefficient of x cube. Here it is the coefficient of x cube is a minus 4. We have to take the opposite sign, it's a plus 4. Next we are trying to find out the summation alpha beta is equal to alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha plus delta alpha plus alpha gamma plus alpha delta is equal to 3. This is a coefficient of x square. This coefficient of x square is a 3. We are taking as it is. Here you may have little confusions how we have to find out this, the multiplication and this term. Just we can follow this way. Alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma delta, delta alpha, then alpha gamma, then alpha delta. Then next one we are trying to find out the summation alpha beta gamma. Here we are going to multiply 3 roots at a time. So first alpha beta gamma plus beta gamma delta plus gamma delta alpha plus alpha gamma delta. That is equal to 0. So here this is the coefficient of x. Here there is no x term. So we are writing this here the coefficient is equal to 0. Next we are trying to find out the product of all the 4 roots, that is alpha into beta into gamma into delta is equal to the constant term. Here we are taking the sign as it is minus 3 by 2. Because since if this equation is the 4th degree equation, here the first we have to take the different sign, same sign, next will be different sign, but the x is missing here and this is a constant term, you have to take as it is with the sign what is given there. The next we have to find, the question is asking us to find out the squares of the sum of all the terms. So we are trying to find out alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square plus delta square. We know the formula, there is a formula is like in the place of alpha, beta, gamma, delta, we can take as a plus b plus c plus d the whole square. So here I have taken alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta the whole square is equal to alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square plus delta square plus 2 into alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma delta plus delta alpha plus alpha gamma plus alpha delta, and this is the formula. Now we have to find out this alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square plus delta square, that is the thing we need actually. So we can keep this one in the right hand side, this whole term we can transfer to the left hand side, so it will become now minus. We got this left hand side term minus, and when this one transfer to this side, it will become minus 2 into and this whole term. is equal to alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square plus delta. Now here we know the value of this one alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta, the value is a 4. So we are substituting 4 square minus 2 into this value is a 3, already we found out here. So now 2 into 3, that is equal to alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square plus delta square. Now if you simplify, we are getting 16 minus 6 is equal to alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square plus delta square. So finally we are getting the value, that is 10 is equal to alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square plus delta square. This is the thing they are asking us to find out the sum of the squares of all the roots. So we obtain the answer, a value here. Thank you.